Okay, next example. This time I'm going to help set it up for you, and then you're going to be doing it on your own. So step one is to convert the mixed number to a fraction. So you are going to, well, 16 is going to become 16 over 1. And then here we're going to multiply, we're going to get, this is going to be 4 times 8, and then we're going to add this 1. So that's going to be, this is 32, and we're going to add 1. We're going to get 33 over 8. So 16 times over 1 become, and then 4 and 1/8 has been converted over here to 33/8. So that's what this is now. This is what that became. Okay, now we're going to multiply across. We get 528 over 8. Now we're going to do step 2, which is to divide 8 into 528 and see what we get. Okay, so the answer is 66. So this is just to check your answer. So if you got it right, excellent job. All right, on to the next one. Go on to the next problem. Okay, here we have 1 2/3 times 3 4/5. So what we need to do is we need to convert each of these to a mixed number. So in order to do that, we multiply 1 times 3, and then we add 2. So 1 times 3 plus 2, and remember this is all over 3, we get 5/3. So this becomes 5/3. And then now we're going to do, over here, we're going to multiply 3 times 5 plus 4, all of this over 5. So we're going to get 19/5. So we have 5/3 times 19/5. And we're going to multiply across. Okay, so we have 15 times 9 is 95 over 15, so we have to convert this back to a whole number. We're going to try 6 and see what happens. 14 times 6, 90. So I have a remainder of 5. So the remainder becomes 5/15. So that equals 6 and 5/15. But I know that I can divide a number into both 5 and 15. So I can divide 5 into both of those. So I get 6 and 1/3. So if you got that answer, awesome job.